Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail account without any phone number. So this tutorial is going to be very helpful for everyone. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to open your settings. Normally swipe down the notification bar and you will see a gear icon on the top right corner. Click on it to open the settings. And now if you scroll down a bit, you will get an option users and accounts. Click on it. And now scroll down again and choose add account. From here you have to choose Google. Now enter your fingerprint or password. Now from here choose create account. For my personal use, give your first name. Next, provide your date of birth. Choose your gender. Next, choose a username here. Next, provide a password here. Next, and finally review your account info and click on this next button and choose I agree. And that's it. We have successfully created our Gmail account without any phone number. So if I show you the Gmail from my phone right now, this is the mail that we have created right now. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.